Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain the REDTIGER Dash Cam setup and installation guide. Watch the complete video to get instant solution. Let's start. First, you need to insert the memory card into the dash cam. Push the memory card until it clicks into the slot. Peel off the electrostatic sticker on the cellophane and transfer it to where you want to stick it. Attach the front camera to the electrostatic sticker and firmly press to secure. Then connect the rear camera cable to the port on the dash cam. Now, enable the Wi-Fi on the REDTIGER Dash Cam. Here, you need to press the menu button, scroll to find the Wi-Fi option, and turn it on. The dash cam's screen will now display the Wi-Fi network name and the default password. Open your smartphone settings and go to the Wi-Fi menu. Then, find the network name that matches your dash cam and tap to connect. Here, enter the default password, which is 12345678. Then connect it. If you need our assistance to set up or connect REDTIGER Dash Cam to Wi-Fi network, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.